Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can delete recently visited pages in the Facebook app. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments at the end of the video, and also be sure to put your likes. So, let us get started with you. First of all, open up the Facebook app. Then down in the bottom right corner, click on the menu. And then the gear at the top. Once you get to the settings, scroll down a little bit until you find your activity subsection. And here you'll need to click on the very first thing, which is the activity log. Next, the activity history. This may take a little bit of time to load. Next is filter, then categories. And now you'll find the very last one, which is logged information. Next is search. And then your search history. And that will take you to your visited pages that you visited recently. And if you want to delete any of the pages, you'll need to click on the three dots. Far, delete. Once again, delete. And that way you immediately remove some page from your search. And if you want to delete everything, then you'll need to delete. Click here in the middle, delete all the search pages. Friends, this is the very simple way you can delete recently visited pages on Facebook. I hope this video has helped you, friends. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.